मेरे भाई करण औजला.
Okay.
And I'd
Nice.
love to know what you think of Karan
Oh,
Aujla
he's
and
amazing.
his music. Uh, दूसरे Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan साहब.
Whoa.
I don't even know why I've named them alongside each other. Knowing Karan, he'll not position himself alongside Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan
Of
साहब.
course.
Um, just want to talk about both these people to you, perhaps because they're both having an impact on my life currently and in the last 1 or 2 years. And I've got a chance to speak to you.
It's amazing. नुसरत साहब के बारे में तो क्या ही बोलूँ मैं. एक संगीत सुनने वाले की शाम कोई गुजरती नहीं है उनका गाना सुने बिना. Every concert, every party, every whatever, finally people land up listening to नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान साहब. अल्लाह ने उनकी आवाज़ में एक ऐसी चीज़ नियामत ऐसी वो दी है कि उनके गाने में that it really hits your heart. Again, there is a word, there's a thing of spirituality with Nusrat Saab's voice. And me and Suleiman are so fortunate that we worked with him.
Oh, wow.
If you heard the song Piyare, 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 so that song, Nusrat Saab, that's the original song the music has been done by us, the arrangements. It's his tune, of course. But me and Suleiman, very early in our lives, early mid-90s or something, is when we did this song for Nusrat Saab. And Suleiman has also had a great opportunity to work with him, meet him personally, because he was the rhythm programmer for the movie Aur Pyar Ho Gaya. Nusrat Saab was in Mumbai at that time, and he had done the music for that film of Rahul Ravel with Bobby Deol and Aishwarya Rai. And Suleiman was as a musician, he has worked with him.
What have you heard about his energy from Suleiman?
He was a saint. पहली बात तो उनकी आवाज़ इतनी नम्रता से बात करते थे. वो used to speak so softly. गाना ऐसा कि क्या बात है. और जब बात करते थे तो he was just like a child. He had a childlike attitude. बड़े नेक इंसान थे यार. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट स्पोकन और खाने पीने का बहुत शौक, ऑब्वियसली. एंड गाना तो मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल सिंगिंग है.
उनके मैजिक की ओरिजिन क्या थी?
आई थिंक उनका जो ट्रेडिशन है ना रणवीर, कव्वाली, दैट इटसेल्फ इज हिज बेस्ट, हिज मेन थिंग, हिज ओरिजिन, लाइक यू सेड. जो उनका ख़ानदानी जो बेस है, फाउंडेशन है, विच इज़ कव्वाली. एंड कव्वाली, हाउ डिड कव्वाली केम अबाउट? It's all ibadat. It's all Qawwali is just another another this thing like bhajans.
Devotion.
सत्संग, या जब लोग करते हैं तो भगवान के गुण गाते हैं. कव्वाली इज एग्जैक्टली दैट. ये तो फिर बाद में सब कव्वालियाँ शराब और इस चीज़ों के इश्क के बारे में बनने लगी थी. पहले तो वो सिर्फ मुर्शिद की इश्क की बात थी. आई मीन a very, very old, very like ancestral, musician, poet, Hazrat Amir Khosrow, who was they say that he was India's first artist, who wrote songs, who composed songs. And, aaj unki mazar, his grave is right next to Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia in Delhi. So when you go to Delhi, if ever go to the dargah there, you'll see Hazrat Amir Khosrow's dargah also there.
I'd like to go with you someday.
Oh, sure, of course. So he comes from that tradition. Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab comes from that tradition, the Qawwali tradition. Again connected to devotion. Because Qawwali, the origin of Qawwali is devotion.
Yeah, unfortunately for my generation and people younger than me, we can only reference his live performances.
Of course.
And his songs, but personally I like watching him rather than just listening. I like seeing where he went physically during that music.
Bilkul.
And I'm not a musician, so I have an amateur understanding of it. But I am an artist, and I understand when there's energy channelization.
Of course. I can see it in your eyes.
There's something you learn I don't know what it is, but there's something during this year's phase. That's what I did all day. उस एक हफ्ते में लोग लग रहा था कि मैं न्यूज़ देख रहा हूँ, एक्चुअली मैं NFA के लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस देख रहा था.
ज़रूरी है.
Hmm.
अगेन ऐसे बिखरे नहीं तो कैसे निखरोगे, उलझे नहीं तो कैसे सुलझोगे. तो ये ज़रूरी है. मतलब आदमी टूटता नहीं है ना तो जुड़ता नहीं है. टूटना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
This chapter of my life right now is the happiest I've been in my life. That's my work is also.
Amazing.
It's going well.
That's great.
Genuinely don't remember this level of happiness.
Yeah.
I've not felt this in a very long time, and the last 6 months was the deepest peak of sadness that I've ever
Of course.
reached.
Yeah.
So it's just, life is extreme, but it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, so many times you listen to. I mean, मेरे ही गाने में हमने कहा है कि राह पे काटे बिखरे मगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है. शाम छिपा दे सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है. बट जब सुबह आती है ना तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. तो वो सूरज की रोशनी जो है उसकी अहमियत बढ़ जाती है. रात नहीं आती है तो अहमियत नहीं आएगी. करण औजला.
Oof.
Very. I haven't really had. I've just met him once. Amazing human being.
Yeah.
And he's an artist that has a lot of love in his heart. I can feel it in his voice. I can feel it in his music. And I'd love to collaborate with him. He's such a good human being. यार मैं एक बात बताऊं, आर्टिस्ट अभी आजकल इतने कमाल के आर्टिस्ट है ना. मैं अच्छा इंसान ढूंढता हूँ यार.
Can you be a great artist but not such a great human?
No, I don't believe. I don't want to, like, I can't say that, okay, this guy's not such a. But there are some amazing artists who are also incredible human beings.
Just elevates it even further, right?
Next level.
मैंने करण की एक लाइव परफॉर्मेंस विटनेस करी. उनके साथ पॉडकास्ट भी करा. उनके गाने मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सुनता हूँ, बट उस लाइव परफॉर्मेंस के दौरान मुझे लगा कि यार इनके बातों में भी संगीत है. समथिंग अबाउट हिज वॉइस, समथिंग अबाउट द थिंग्स ही चूजेस टू से, द वे ही मूव्स हिज बॉडी. वो भी आई डोंट नो इस फेज ऑफ लाइफ में कुछ तो चैनलाइज कर रहे हैं. शायद प्यार ही चैनलाइज कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली. ये हर आर्टिस्ट का वो होता है कि एट आफ्टर अ सर्टेन स्टेज ना इंसान को सक्सेस मिल जाता है. मतलब मैं आर्टिस्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ. सक्सेस मिल जाता है, प्यार मिल जाता है, शोहरत मिल जाती है. फिर क्या? What next? So that's that. Then it's all about internalizing and channelizing your own energy and feeling happy, because you have a lot of work, you have a lot of fans, you have a lot of money, you have a lot of fame. What next? A lot of people commit suicide also after this stage because they don't know what's next, and they're so confused that they sometimes take their lives, and it's happened. बट जब इंसान ये सब कुछ हैंडल कर लेता है और जब सब when he is so content and happy, फिर वो ज़मीन से सीधा जुड़ जाता है. He is back to his roots. It's like, okay, he just like, he wants to hug everyone, he wants to talk to everyone, he wants to, whatever.